If you are looking for a lightweight AI model that can run fast without needing expensive hardware, Marlin-2B is one of the newer options worth checking out. In this video, I will cover its main features, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. And for now, let's get started. What is Marlin-2B? Marlin-2B is a compact language model with around 2 billion parameters. It is designed to provide fast AI responses while using fewer system resources compared to larger models. The main goal of models like Marlin-2B is efficiency, and instead of focusing on massive size, it tries to balance speed, lower hardware requirements, and decent AI performance for everyday tasks. It can be used for things like AI chatbots, writing assistance, coding help, summarization, research tasks, automation tools. Because it is smaller than many modern AI models, it's also easier to run locally on consumer hardware. Main features: lightweight model size. One of the biggest features of Marlin-2B is its compact size. Since it's a 2 billion parameter model, it requires much less VRAM and processing power than larger AI models. This makes it a good option for budget PCs, laptops, edge devices, local AI setups. Fast response speeds. Smaller models usually respond faster, and Marlin-2B performs well in this area. If you want quick outputs instead of waiting several seconds for every response, this model is designed for speed and efficiency. That can be useful for real-time chatbots or lightweight productivity tools. Local deployment support. Another advantage is that Marlin-2B can often run locally without relying heavily on cloud services. For users who care about privacy, offline usage, lower API costs, this can be a major benefit. Lower hardware requirements. You do not necessarily need high-end GPUs to use a model like this. Compared to massive AI models that require powerful systems, Marlin-2B is much more accessible for casual users and developers. Good for simple tasks. For everyday tasks like drafting emails, basic coding, summaries, brainstorming ideas, Marlin-2B can still deliver solid results despite its smaller size. Pros of Marlin-2B: affordable to run. Since it uses fewer resources, running costs are lower. That's especially useful for developers building AI apps on a budget. Faster performance. The smaller model size helps reduce latency and improves speed during conversations or content generation. Easier local AI experience. Many users prefer lightweight models because they are simpler to install and run locally. Marlin-2B fits well into that category. Better for older hardware. You do not need a top-tier GPU setup just to experiment with AI tools. That makes it more beginner-friendly. Good efficiency. For its size, the model can still handle a wide range of basic AI tasks reasonably well. Cons of Marlin-2B: less accurate than large models. The biggest downside is obvious. Smaller models usually cannot match the intelligence and accuracy of larger AI systems. Complex reasoning tasks may not perform as well. Limited advanced capabilities. For advanced coding, deep research, or highly detailed outputs, larger AI models still have a clear advantage. Can hallucinate. Like many AI models, Marlin-2B can sometimes generate incorrect or misleading information. Fast checking is still important. Smaller knowledge depth. Compact models often have more limited understanding compared to larger models trained with bigger datasets and more compute power. Who should use Marlin-2B? Marlin-2B is best for developers wanting lightweight AI, users with lower end hardware, local AI enthusiasts, simple chatbot projects, basic productivity tasks. But if you need highly advanced reasoning or professional grade outputs, you may prefer larger AI models instead. Final verdict and conclusion. Overall, Marlin-2B is a solid lightweight AI model focused on efficiency, speed, and accessibility. Its biggest strengths are fast responses, lower hardware requirements, easier local deployment, budget-friendly performance. But the trade-off is lower intelligence compared to larger premium AI models. If your priority is lightweight performance and running AI locally, Marlin-2B is definitely worth considering. And that is it for this review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.